this application by using these are all the conditions. In your base paper they are using LSTM as a main algorithm, so I had created with LSTM. So first we have to execute simulation.py file. So I'm just opening Anaconda prompt over here. So while I'm executing this file, I'm using the data set. Okay, that I'll just show you. Wait. So action DQN25RHO 4.0 data. So this is the data set I'm using. So while I'm executing, these are all the files are generating. What will be the action on offline, action on online? Okay, what will be the job and what will be the user on offline and online and semi. So you can see here the project is executing. How many user has been created, the environment has been created. So once the environment has been created, what will be the energy and age for here? So on the same basis it will be started for the execution. You can see, so it will start with the learning episodes. So in this project I had given episode nearly 500. This simulation is worked only with the use of offload. Okay, so on a mean same time I am executing with another command prompt for the LSTM. So this will be the function of Python LSTM.py I am executing. So here also total time of user from 0 to 4 user has been created, the environment has been created, and again the training process is started with the episode number 92 till 92 it is executed. So here it's executed till 56. So this will be the existing file and this will be the proposed file. By using LSTM we are executing over here, by using normal offload we are executing here. Once this is completed, then we can create a graphical based representation output.